Hi, here we have a small storage room and we want to make the light automatic and replace the switch with this automatic one. It's made by Tracon, and we also bought a screwdriver and these pieces of metal to attach it because the door opens inward. So we decided to put the switch up here, and to not mount it to the weak drywall, we want to mount it to this door frame. We got these two corner pieces, so it will attach like this. This is how it will look when attached. And to trigger the switch, we're going to put this metal piece and bend it outwards a bit. So when you close the door, it will hit the switch and turn the light off. And when you open it, the switch will release and turn the light on. Now we connected the two wires. The COM wire is the live wire and the other one is for the light. Now that we connected the cables, we put on the mounts and now we're going to tighten the nuts. We flip the holders around because it can fit more easily this way. Now we're putting the screws in. One screw tightened all the way is already enough to hold it. The space inside the room was so small that we could not put on the metal piece to trigger the switch, so we took off the entire door because it's very easy to do so. We marked the spots and now we are putting the screws in. Now the metal piece is on. Let's put the door back into place. Also, if you take off the door, we recommend lubing the door hinges. Now that the door is back on, this is how it looks when closing. All we have to do now is connect the wires. Before you touch any of the wires, you have to turn off the electricity first. So one of the wires in the lamp has already been tampered with, and we hope this is the live wire so we don't have to take it off and open it fully. In our other video where we put one of these switches on, which has the same type of LED and connector, we had to take it apart. Now we're going to check for the live wire. Fortunately for us, the one that has been tampered with is the live wire. The live wire is now connected. We put a heat shrinking tube on it. Now we're going to heat it up so it stays put. Now we connected the other one and heat shrink tubed it too. Now we're going to put the power back and try it out. Door is open, the light is on. If you close the door, the light turns off. Because the automatic switch is fully working and it's not the first time that we're installing these, we're going to remove the regular switch because the automatic one is faster, needs less work, and also lasts very long. We disabled the power, and now we're going to take the old switch off. Now that the old switch is out, we're going to disconnect the cables from it and connect them together with a Wago. So one of these. And now we're going to push this back into the socket and then fill it up with plaster. But first we're going to give the power back to see if it makes contact. It does. We put a piece of nylon on it, and now we're going to fill this hole with plaster.